You're the champion, yet this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. How do you approach this to have the opportunity to be a living legend?
I'm approaching it the same way I have all my other fights. I treated it, as it's just another title defense. Manny, has accomplished, so much, but it's my time now.
Do you feel that this is more something that you will look back on in the future as an accomplishment, as opposed to trying to take in all of the hoopla right now?
100%. This is crazy. Shout out, to all the Filipino fans here. Shout out to a toda mi gente mexicana que está aquí. Viva la raza! But yeah, this is huge for me, for my career. Yeah, man, I'm excited to step in there tomorrow.
Best of luck, champion Mario. We look forward to tomorrow night. Thank you. Marios. Let's bring in now the Pac-Man, Manny Pacquiao. Manny, before we start this interview, I want you to take a look up here in the rafters, right next to the American flag. 3, 2, 1. Number 16, more than anybody in history, Tyson, Mayweather, all of the great fights that have come in here. When you see that banner, you've gone into the Hall of Fame, you've won in 8 divisions, 12 titles, you have everything. What made you decide that you wanted to do this again?
First of all, I would like to, I'm so happy because I'm back, and I'm back because of boxing is my passion. I miss boxing, and I'm so thankful to God because until now He gave me the strength, keep me safe, and give me good health. That's why Manny Pacquiao is still here, and I'm back.
The last man who said I'm back was Michael Jordan. He came back and he won 3 titles. Are you channeling some of that?
Well, this comeback is dedicated to the Lord my God.
Final thought. It's been 4 years since you've been hit. How do you prepare for everything that you've known in your past life but haven't been used to the past 4 years?
Those 4 years in the past that I retired in boxing, I really miss boxing, and it's good for my body because I'm able to give my body rest for 4 years because I've been in boxing for how many decades, since when I was 12, so until now. So good for my body to rest for 4 years. And now I'm back. I'm excited to the fight. I'm really hungry to win again the fight and give the fans a good fight. I know the fans, they're waiting for a good fight. I know Barrios is working hard, but that's our job. That's our job to entertain the crowd, to give you a good fight, and to satisfy on Saturday night. That's our job.
Manny, best of luck. You're a legend, a living legend, and everybody's looking forward to your performance tomorrow night.
Thank you.
All right, Manny Pacquiao.